Oh. Hriday, what? She?
Look at Tata.
So I just got done with my meeting.
Bachas.
Check out the line.
Hey guys, welcome back to Life with the Sequeras.
Very good morning.
Good morning everyone. So आज Sunday आहे and we are on our way to the church, and after that baby is having some meeting, right?
I'm having a meeting in some time now, so I'll be dropping them at the church and I'll be leaving for the meeting. Hriday has a Sunday school.
Where's Hriday? Hriday, say hello. Hello. So
And then are we doing something after that? After Sunday school?
I plan to go to the mall. I have to buy few things.
Yeah.
But I'm not sure after we have like whatever we have right now. After that, if we have time,
Then we'll
we'll
go.
see. Yeah. चला तर पाहू आजचा दिवस कसा जातो.
So I just got done with my meeting and the meeting was amazing. It was a video call meet and they were clients from abroad. So you need to match their timings. So if it's 10 a.m. here, it's 9 p.m., 10 p.m. there. So we had to have that conversation today, considering it's a weekend. And I haven't had my breakfast as yet. I'm sure baby and Baba too haven't had anything. So now I'm waiting for them to come. The moment they come in, we'll immediately leave for the mall because baby wants to do some shopping as well. So birthday shopping bhi kuch hua nahi hai. So let's see how it works. And apart from that, we don't know how the day shall go. We'll see how it is. And today is also Friendships Day. So happy Friendships Day to all my viewers, because you guys are true friends. You guys are family too. And you guys have supported us. So happy Friendships Day to you all. If it could be, I would have given a friendship band or tied a friendship band to every viewer possible. But then please accept my wishes virtually. It's raining, so I don't know whether you guys can hear me clearly or not. It's pouring here. And now I'm waiting for baby. The moment they come in, we go straight to the mall. So guys, baby and Baba are back. And we just got done and now we are on, actually we've reached the mall. We are just waiting to pay the amount for parking. We'll eat something since we haven't had anything, and then we'll see what we're going to do at this mall. We've never come to this mall for shopping, so we'll check it out. And I feel it's gonna be crowded
Sunday.
considering it's Sunday.
Let's see.
According to me, weekends are the worst time to come to the mall, honestly, because of the crowd and God knows now.
What to do? We have only weekends, so weekends को ही हमें निकलना पड़ता है बाहर.
Correct. So now let's see what we'll shop today. If baby is purchasing anything new, we'll definitely show it to you, because only she shops, nobody else.
Yes, I know. Even when she studies.
I and Hriday only wait with the bags. We are just.
I shop, but still they have clothes and I don't.
Exactly.
I don't have clothes, Mama.
This is the top
this
my
Mama only
mom gave me
forces-
for my birthday.
Yeah, it looks good.
It's fitting well, so thank you, mummy and papa.
Mama only forces us to buy clothes.
I shop
forces.
for them, and they are the ones.
And whatever clothes she buys goes in the black hole, never to be seen, it seems.
Yes, I know.
I don't buy kuch bhi.
You buy so many clothes you have.
See.
Even if you have put all of your clothes in my cupboard, it would not even fit.
अच्छा.
I need even one.
स्कॅनर नाही आहे आतमध्ये, म्हणजे फुल झालं का? बाहेर आहे ना? किती? एक मिनट किकी किकी 50
ऑलरेडी चेतावनी मिल चुकी है.
झालं. थँक्यू.
You asked him किती, he's saying 50. What is 50?
हां दॅट वाज.
ऑलरेडी चेतावनी मिल चुकी है कि अंदर पार्किंग इज फुल. So
So
we
he-
can
where
see
are we-
how
where are we
crowded the
supposed to
mall.
park now?
Somewhere he said back side ही कर लो. Ask someone.
अंदर है ना. Let's see. I don't want.
You tell now. Here. God. चलो.
We got parking luckily in a good place. Now I just want to rush to the washroom first. I want to do.
That you don't have to tell them. बंद कर.
बंद कर की बात नहीं है. Yeah, it's a hurried thing to do. Nature's call. क्या करूँ?
Yes.
Yeah, Hriday also wants to go.
No.
No, I said yes so
Even
loudly.
this is nature's call.
That is Batti.
चलो.
Chalo, let's go. Hriday, what happened again?
I'm making it everywhere. Do it in one place.
फिर से केक काटा इसने. And this time also walking with Mama had happened. Hi Hriday. You hold it, not
I
me.
want to see something.
Go.
Look at Tata carrying Mama's purse.
You also have been carrying it, not me alone.
No, I won't be carrying it. I'm not getting
Baby is
married.
gone to do a trial change, so we are waiting here now. And since it's Sunday, there's a long queue for the same. Hope she comes in soon. Never go to Zodio or to do any shopping on a Sunday. What horrible crowd. Check out the line. It's too long, no? Yeah, everybody is in line. Finally, after waiting for 45 minutes, we got it done. Baby, what did you shop? We'll show it to you once we are home. Are we going anywhere else or going home now? So we are heading home now. Never shop on a weekend. Never ever shop on a weekend, please. Horrible. Way too many people. Line also.
Studio was so full because everything was for $299 and $199. Full. It was like kids section, women's section, men's section. Everything was full.
Yeah, even waiting, even for your trial rooms, you had a long line. So what we did was, baby was in the trial room waiting.
Go to DIY.
Arey yaar. Baby, I'm tired. We waited for 45 minutes and all here and there. Many cuties all in one place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dogs. We are going towards our car now. We have done with our shopping. Baby, how was your shopping? Good. Are you gonna show what all have you bought later or now?
Home and I'll
Show it. All right, let's go. How are you? Hey, boo boo. You want to eat? Want to eat food, my darling? Huh? She?
Hi, Chester. Hey, Guttu. What happened?
He, this fellow likes to sit like that. Hey, boo boo doo. And who's jealous? Chester's jealous. You're jealous, boo boo. Good boys. Good boys. Go sit. Hey, boo boo. Papaya, come here. Come on. Hello, boo boo. Hey, Susu ke? Dude. Your diaper. Not put proper. Shall we clean this? Even if you put a diaper, this fellow still pees. He's still small, he's just 5 months old. Many of them messages are saying that you should take him down and everything. But our vet has advised us not to take him for the next 6 to 7 months. So for the ones who don't know this, we have to keep them in the house for 6-7 months. After that, we can train them. So now, this all we have to go through for the next 2 months now. See, diaper डालने के बाद ही वो पी करता है, and it's something that we all have to do. ये चौके रे बुबू, ये चौके. We'll clean. Right, right. Okay. Can I clean now? Okay. You want belly rub? Okay, belly rub. Okay, belly rub. And can I change your diaper also? Yeah, later. Okay. No problem. So let me clean.
Come,
Nice
Chester,
shower.
come.
Go to mama.
Let
go.
Dada clean. Come here.
You want to sit with
Come, darling.
What? No. Let me clean. This is dirty. Can I clean, Babu? See here. This diaper is there. वो भी change करना पड़ेगा. चल, we clean. We change your diapers too. Come. Babu. Dirty boy. Come. You change your diaper first. Newspaper. So we are back home. And whatever shopping we are done, baby, what are you going to do with that?
We will show it to you in tomorrow's vlog. So
Stay tuned. Yes. Now what you're doing?
because now I am making pani puri. आणि हे सगळं
You wanted to say something because तूने बोला I'm sorry I had cowed you. कुछ बोल रही
I
हूँ.
said because right now we are too tired,
Too tired.
to show the shopping.
Correct,
things, so
correct.
we put it in tomorrow's
Correct.
video for y'all.
चलेगा.
Right
कल ही
now-
दिखाओ.
Yeah, right now we are making pani puri.
पानी पूरी बन रहा है.
Yeah, everything is homemade. Like you can show them. This is the ragda. हे आहे तिखट पाणी आणि हे आहे मीठी चटणी.
Wow.
एकदम टेस्टी आणि किती घट्ट
मस्त दिख रहा है. मस्त है.
But I have not made it at home. So since it was my birthday, Anju got it for me. So thank you Anju for this lovely pani puri.
Yes. मजा आएगा अभी खाने के लिए.
आणि तिने एवढं अख्खं मोठं पॅकेट दिलं.
हाँ देख ना 100 पूरी करेगा ये. हम लोग क्या 100 पूरी खाएंगे अंजू? क्या यार हम लोग का पेट बड़ा है बट इतना भी नहीं खाते हम लोग. बट थैंक यू वेरी स्वीट ऑफ द एंटायर फैमिली. All of them, as they came in the night, then they even gave us bands on Friendship's Day. Very sweet of them.
Actually, there are so many people who sent so many things.
Correct.
Thanks to each one of y'all. And I'm so sorry I couldn't attend your calls, or some of the messages are also unanswered due to time constraints. I cannot, but whenever I am reading them, I will definitely reply.
कुछ तो बोलो हिंदी और मराठी में भी हम लोग के दर्शनों के लिए.
दर्शनों के लिए नहीं, दर्शकों.
हाँ दर्शकों के लिए. सॉरी माय बैड. दर्शकों के लिए.
हाँ, जिन जिन लोगों ने मुझे मैसेजेस किए हैं मैंने सारे अब तक पढ़े नहीं है, पर जब भी मैं पढ़ूंगी मैं रिप्लाई ज़रूर दूंगी। एंड थैंक यू मुझे इतने सारे विशेस भेजने के लिए।
I'm going to taste this now. They already started, by the way. How is it?
Very good.
But I feel like drinking. I mixed the panis. So I want to have this first. Ah, wow. मस्त है, एक नंबर. Too good.
टेस्टी है।
No wonder सोपूरी दिया है.
नो वंडर 100 पूरी दे रहा है इज व्हाट ही स्पोक।
मस्त है.
चलो
भी खाओ.
चलो एंजॉय। आई विल ऑल्सो एंजॉय। थैंक यू अंजू वंस अगेन।
So guys, this is where I end the vlog. Pani Puri really very good. We had a long day at the mall, and again I still stand by it by saying weekends never go to the mall to do any shopping. Even with regards to just hanging out also, there's no space to walk, honestly. Food courts are completely filled and there's no place to even sit. You need to find a place which will take 15-20 minutes. So avoid going to the malls on a weekend. And that's it. That's how our day was. And then we went to the church. We attended mass. We met the priest. We went to the Blessed Sacrament. We prayed. We prayed for everybody. And the ones who are watching are definitely going to get blessings from God. You guys are amazing people. So just continue doing good and think good about everybody. Do not think bad. That's what I will say and end. So असा होता आमचा पूर्ण दिवस. हा व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर लाईक करा, कमेंट करा, शेअर करा आणि आमच्या चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा. बाय.